Is Deondra, and I am a finalist in the 2024 Jiifsc Song Competition. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been supporting me through this process and everyone who's voted for me. Special thank you. I entered this competition not only because of the nostalgia I feel from being away from home, Jamaica, but also because as an entertainer, I always try my best to represent myself and my country in a positive light. And Jiifsc has provided the platform for us singers and songwriters to play our part, and I had to make use of this opportunity. So now, I want you to play your part by coming to the finals on July 27th at Shiloh High School in Snellville, Georgia. See you there.
Selfish national dish.
Miss Deondra, and I am a